G Squad, what's happening with y'all? Baby Talk Guy in the Flesh, back with another, you guessed it, legendary video. Today's video is brought to you by and sponsored by LACDJR and Jeep LA. And together, they have partnered together to give y'all a legendary giveaway of all these legendary products. The first thing we have here is a Dodge Challenger convertible 1970 SRT die cast special. Second thing we got there is a 10 Mopar sign to hang on your man cave, because y'all know this is my man cave, so you gotta have the legendary man cave materials. And you also got a chance to win one of these 3 shirts right here. So all you gotta do to enter is tag and follow Los Angeles CDJR and Jeep LA on both of their Instagrams. And the links will be below in the description if you want to follow them and enter the contest to win. All you got to do is enter promo code TallGuyReviews for 15% off. Now, make sure y'all go to JeepLAstore.com and check out all the legendary merch that they got on their website, because right now they are giving free shipping to all orders $75 and above. Now, let's get this video started, baby. So now we are here at Forgiatos. Shout out to my guys here at Forgiatos, man. Make sure y'all subscribe to Top of the Mook podcast. We got a new producer. We're gonna be getting that joint up and running soon. But if you are a producer, we want alternative producers and backup producers. So if you're a producer, make sure you DM my dog, Mr. Organik, my guy Sway Media, and me, and one of us will see it, increase the odds of us seeing the message. And yeah, man, we have y'all on standby for the Top of the Mook podcast. If you're a Top of the Mook producer, rock with some Top of the Mook people, all right? But yeah, we came up here to Forgiatos right now, and just to get my new floating cap. So y'all know I got the floating app on all cars, right? Boom. And I got this one right here on my Hellcat. So that's a gloss one, and on my Hellcat, y'all know it's a satin red one. So we just had to come up here and get this. So yeah, let's get in the car and let's talk. So my Hellcat back right tire is completely flat. I read a comment, my guy Sway pointed out to me that my back right tire and my back left tire were swapped, the sensors anyway. So, and it makes sense because we pulled off initially in my Hellcat today to come up here to Forgiatos to get the floating cap put on there, right? So that way you just bring the whole car, and it said it was on 17 PSI. So I'm like, okay, so me and Sway, I'm like, it should be cool, stop at a little gas station, fill up some air. We pulled out the garage, and then it went from 17 to 1. And it said the left side. So I pulled up at the light, I got out the car, let me look. So I'm thinking the thing in the car is broken, the tire pressure sensor thing is broken. Because I get out and it's completely aired up. So I'm like, it gotta be the sensor. So then Sway said, nah, I think it's the right. So next thing he said, look, a little flat. So next thing I go over to the right side and I look, and that joint, big flat. Not just a little flat, but big flat. That joint was sitting on the rim. So I'm like, damn, good thing I'm just right on the corner from the crib. So I just pulled right back into the crib, parked it, and thankfully I didn't mess up my Forgiatos rims, on the back end. So pretty much what has to happen now, I already put in an order for a new tire. I understand them 2 tires are $2,000, and it was a brand new tire. It was just a nail in the tire. It's crazy how it works sometimes, man. But yeah, I bought a new tire. So I got my guy Alex from Full Blown Performance. Rock with him on Instagram and follow his YouTube channel. Links will be in the description, along with Forgiatos as well. To my guys up there. But yeah, and I'm got him coming because my McLaren back left tire is flat. But I don't think there's nothing in the tire that the tire's messed up. I think that it's messed up because of the stem, like how it was on the front left tire when I got the rims put on. So long story short, Alex, he got some of his employees coming over to jack up the McLaren because I don't want to get my Hellcat towed over there, then get my McLaren towed over there. You know what I'm saying? Like, let's just jack them joints up, put them on some brakes for a second, and then let's get the tires and rims replaced on both. And then from there, just put them both on at the crib, and then, then I can get this installed on there. Then I got to get new tire stickers and all that such. Y'all know how I go, man. But yeah, I just want to keep y'all updated with everything. I'll see y'all when we get to the crib, so that way y'all can see just how flat this joint is. The tire is actually completely off the rim, almost. It's like, I don't even know how to explain it. I'll just show y'all when we get there. So we back at the crib, and look who rolls up into the garage. No, 3 of them, Mr. Organik, man. Go subscribe to his YouTube channel. But while he's getting out the car, let me show y'all what's going on over here. Look at this, y'all. You see it? It's completely off the rim right now, man. The whole mook off that thing. 3 of them. What's happening with you, brother? How you feeling? Purified. Boy, tire flat on this joint.
I know, just talk to him. I was over there with Alex.
Yeah, well, go look at that one right there.
I was at full blown performance.
You was just over there now?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Man, what happened here, man?
See what I'm saying? Oh yeah, man, big sway.
Yeah, but what happened here too?
Yeah.
You don't know?
There was a nail in my tire, so I think it just,
the one you was talking about?
yeah, I told you about it, but it must have finally came out.
Oh.
It was literally 24 hours and that came out. It didn't give me no wiggle room.
Damn.
So that tire, I understand tire 2 racks, brother.
Yeah, so you getting all of them?
It'll be sick if this. I don't even want to jinx it with these ones.
For sure.
But yeah, no, I just gotta get that one right there.
Yeah.
Then I gotta get this floating cap replaced right here.
Another one?
Yeah, well no, I already got
one?
it. I got it in my
Oh,
Hellcat. Yeah, no, the one, remember it was silver. Remember
they got it fixed.
Right, they got it fixed and I just gotta slap that on there too.
Damn.
What's up with you though, brother?
I'm blessed. Which one fucked
Mr.
up?
Organik, y'all.
I don't have no fear, Mr. Organik. He's hey, shout out to everybody on that new top of the Mook goddamn shirts.
Merchandise.
Going crazy. Merchandise. Blend them together.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Make sure you go right now, man. Only a limited quantity left. Hot cakes, man.
They going crazy,
man,
huh?
Come on, man. Flapjacks. You know, while you can, you know, first out the pan.
Right.
You know what I mean?
But what you say about that?
OrganicLifestyle.com.
Yeah, go get it, man. Huh?
Which one? Not the one.
It's the back left one.
For real?
Yeah, right here, this side.
Damn.
What I'm saying, it's like
I took my damn shoe off. Let the toe breathe. Damn.
the flip flops on. Speaking of flip flops and flapjacks, what's happening with you, champ? How you feeling? Yeah, I see y'all video. Funny.
Which one?
Q&A movie.
Oh yeah, you know. You know, I ain't used to that talking about that. I know. Not me out here looking like, you know, ain't Luther Vandross.
Yeah,
Before that, you know what I'm saying? Peace and all
the
that.
skinny one or Big Luther?
It all
Skinny
depends
Luther.
which one that, you know what I'm saying?
Big Luther was more legendary.
Big Luther then, with the Jerry curl.
Yeah. That's the original Luther.
Yeah, that's one.
Then he got on the meal prep and he
Oh
got the little
yeah,
gastro
then
bypass.
the neck was like this.
R.I.P. Luther, because I believe he is.
Yeah, he is gone.
Yeah, R.I.P. Luther.
Ooh, yeah. Oh, that's Casey and JoJo. Damn it.
Yeah, what the fuck?
Damn, my bad.
But I got, so Alex told you he's about to come over. He about to
Yeah, I've seen him.
Yeah, so it's people about to come over here.
Shit, goddamn, doing
Our
something.
shit that good?
Yeah, something going on with it.
What's that going
I
down?
don't know, something.
Yeah, I don't know. I couldn't tell you what it is. It's doing something.
The vet?
No, mine.
Oh, I didn't know if you gave her the pink slip type. Huh?
What you mean, fine? No, sir.
Come on, you on a different type of heartbeat with it now.
Oh yeah, you know, boo boo.
I'm proud of you, brother.
Thank you, brother.
He's doing really good.
Yeah, man, hey, come on, man. Come on, brother. I'm here damn filming on that. God damn, champ. There you go. OrganicLifestyle.com. So that's what you gotta do. You gotta take on both of them joints.
Yeah, they coming over here to take the back right one off the Hellcat and then the back left one off the McLaren.
Damn.
Both of the back joints.
Damn.
Yeah, so they can jack them both up and then we're gonna put them joints on bricks until we can. Because I can't get my tire until tomorrow for my Hellcat.
Right.
And then for this one,
hopefully. Yeah, see.
Because we don't know if it's a hole in the tire or nothing.
Yeah.
So it might be the stem thing again.
Yeah.
But if it's not the stem thing,
then who knows?
then it got to be a whole new tire. So then I'm going to have to get both done tomorrow. So they both going to be just sitting on bricks until tomorrow. But hopefully this one you could hopefully it's just a stem thing with this one.
Right, that's what.
But you know, that's the part where it got the little
I know it's
accident.
dropped down at. It
So
might be some shit that hit it when it fell.
That's what I'm saying. It's a possibility.
Right.
High possibility. Because we never checked for the tire after that.
Was you driving it when it happened? Or?
No, hell no, thank God.
The price you pay for having legendary whips, legendary rims, anytime you do anything to your car, you run the risk of something happening to it. I don't give a fuck
For sure.
you spend $10,000 on something. It still will mess up the natural mechanics of the whip. Cause they spent billions of dollars to orchestrate that whip perfectly. And you want to come and do something extra to it.
Yeah.
What's up, champ?
What's that with your champo?
So it is what it is, man. You get through it like you always do,
Yeah,
brother.
appreciate you, brother.
You know what I'm
Well, we're gonna wait for them to get here then.
All right, brother.
Shout out to my guy Alex, man. You need me to pull my Hellcat? You need me to pull that one up?
No, that one is fine.
You said that one's what?
That one is already fucked up, though.
Ain't that crazy? Yeah, completely, right?
That one is gone.
Hey, you can't make it up, man. Like I said. This one, I think it might be that stem, like how it was on that one.
That's what he was saying.
Yeah, it might be the stem on this one too. But when that stuff happened with my McLaren, it was on this side, so I don't know if the tire's bad or what. But either way it go, I'm just gonna have to either get it replaced or hopefully the stem can be worked. That'd be the ideal situation.
On the way back, we'll bring a plug and try to plug that up for you.
To who?
To plug that one up for you.
No, hell no, I ain't plugging now. I'm just getting a whole new tire. Right?
Okay, so on the way back, we'll bring a jack so we can leave it on a jack then.
Cool, thank you, my man.
Hey, can you,
So I don't even want to risk nothing with a plug.
with the light?
You know what I mean?
Yeah, no, definitely.
I don't want to risk that plug because, yeah, that plug ended up popping out while I'm on the highway. Let's just play it safe. I ain't never heard of a plug popping out, but just in case. It's the luck I'm having right now, brother. I don't even want to risk it. Thank you, man. I appreciate y'all, man.
But in case when you're driving, just go to the shop and go check the pressure for you.
Okay. Yeah, I'll do
I
that.
think that it
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Thanks, y'all. I appreciate you. I'm gonna get the tire and the rim put on tomorrow, and I'm gonna get it installed, and then they're gonna come back out, and they're gonna put that joint all the way together, and then we'll be back in full motion, man. Thank y'all, man. Appreciate y'all, man. That's pretty much it for now. Gotta take my dog to this Organik parking spot right now. And, yeah.